church is ringing. The sound of bells has played an important role in Christian worship for centuries, serving as a call to prayer and a symbol of the presence of God in the community. Telling time and warning of impending danger. Overall, the sound of church bells ringing is a unique and meaningful part of many people's experience of faith and community. You can get ready for a pray in church. It's essential to dress appropriately to show respect to the holy place and reflect the solemnity of the occasion. Overall, getting ready for prayer in church involves both practical and spiritual preparations to fully immerse yourself in the worship experience. You will feel change in your inner self.
Thanks for watching this video. We are highlighting on education, environment and energy.